Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make soft and flavorful homemade tortillas using a simple ingredient that helps keep them tender for days: buttermilk. To begin, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl and season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, gradually add the buttermilk while mixing until the dough starts to come together.
Now for the secret ingredient, buttermilk. Not only does it add a rich, buttery taste, but it also helps create soft, tender tortillas that stay fresh longer.
Once combined, knead the dough for several minutes until it becomes smooth, soft, and elastic. The buttermilk not only adds a rich flavor, but also helps create a tender texture and extends freshness. Divide the dough into equal portions and cover them with a clean kitchen towel. Allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period helps relax the gluten, making the dough easier to roll out.
After resting, roll each portion into a thin, round tortilla. Keep in mind that the tortillas will puff slightly as they cook, so rolling them thin will help achieve the perfect texture. Heat a lightly greased skillet or pan over medium heat. Cook each tortilla until golden brown spots begin to appear, then flip and cook the other side. Continue until both sides are evenly cooked and lightly toasted. As you can see, the tortillas are beautifully cooked with a soft texture and an appetizing golden finish. The addition of buttermilk creates a rich flavor and helps keep them fresh and tender long after cooking. thank you so much for watching. If you found this recipe helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any tips you use when making homemade tortillas. Until next time, happy cooking and God bless.